Welcome to Beki Decor, your home for beautiful indoor styling and creative decor inspiration. Discover amazing ideas to transform your space with style and elegance. We're excited to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly decor tips, makeovers, and stunning design inspiration. Enjoy the journey. Creating a beautiful TV stand decor setup is one of the quickest ways to elevate your living room and bring harmony to your interior space. At Beki Decor, we focus on blending function and beauty, making your TV stand not just a place for electronics, but a stylish focal point in your home. When decorating a TV stand, think of balance, symmetry, and purposeful placement. You can combine decor elements such as candles, books, vases, framed art, or natural wood pieces to create a warm and welcoming ambience. Consider using decor pieces of varying heights to add depth and interest. For example, tall vases paired with shorter ornaments help create a beautifully layered look. Plants, whether real or artificial, also add life and color to the area. A minimal approach works well too, where just a few clean, simple pieces create a modern, uncluttered aesthetic. The goal is to make the TV area feel complete and intentional, not overwhelming. As you explore the ideas in today's video, think about your style: modern, rustic, minimalist, or traditional. Every home can have a stunning TV stand decor with the right design choices, and Beki Decor is here to guide you step by step. Before even decorating, choosing the right TV stand is essential. At Beki Decor, we always recommend selecting a stand that complements the overall theme of your living room. A wooden stand works perfectly for natural and rustic vibes, while a sleek black or white unit enhances modern decor. The size of the stand should align with the size of your TV. Too small looks unbalanced, and too large can overpower the space. Think about storage, too. Closed cabinets hide clutter, while open shelves allow room for decor styling. When choosing a stand, consider the material and color. Wood adds warmth, metal adds a modern industrial vibe, and glass creates a luxury feel. You can also blend materials, such as wood and steel, to create a stylish, contemporary look. If you have a small living space, floating wall-mounted TV stands are a great option because they keep the room feeling open and airy. Once the right stand is selected, decorating becomes easier and more enjoyable. Each shelf becomes an opportunity to express your style. With the right base, your decor can shine beautifully, and your TV area becomes an elegant part of your home. Plants are one of the best elements for decorating a TV stand, adding natural beauty and balance to the space. At Beki Decor, we encourage using greenery to soften the electronic feel of the television. You can place one tall plant on one side of the stand to create visual height, and smaller plants on the shelves to add texture. Both real and artificial plants work well. Real plants bring freshness and life, while artificial ones offer easy maintenance. For a modern look, use simple white or black plant pots. For rustic or farmhouse styling, woven baskets and wooden planters are perfect. When arranging plants, consider using different leaf shapes and sizes to create variety. You can also use trailing plants on open shelves to create a cascading effect, adding softness to the display. If your TV stand has limited space, small succulents or mini potted herbs can be ideal. Plants help create a calming, natural atmosphere in your living room, making the TV area feel more welcoming and warm. This simple decor choice transforms even the plainest TV stand into a beautiful design statement. Books are excellent decor pieces for a TV stand, adding personality, height variation, and sophistication. At Beki Decor, we love using books to create beautiful styling layers. You can stack 2 or 3 coffee table books horizontally and place a candle, small sculpture, or plant on top. This creates a stylish lifted display that catches the eye. Choose books with attractive covers or neutral colors to keep the design clean. If you prefer a minimalist look, use only 1 or 2 carefully placed books. For a warmer, more eclectic style, mix books of different heights and colors. Standing books vertically on one side of the TV can also add balance, especially when paired with a decorative bookend. Books tell a story about your taste, whether it's art, decor, photography, or travel. They bring depth and meaning to your TV stand instead of making it feel empty or overly plain. When arranged thoughtfully, books act as both decor and expression, transforming your TV area into a curated, elegant space. Books are simple, affordable, and incredibly effective in elevating your decor design. Vases are timeless decor elements that bring elegance to TV stand styling. At Beki Decor, we recommend using vases of different shapes and sizes to add height and balance. Tall vases placed on either side of the stand help frame the TV beautifully, creating symmetry and visual interest. You can choose glass vases for a modern look, ceramic vases for a more classic feel, or wooden vases to add warmth. When selecting vases, consider neutral colors like white, beige, black, or gray for a clean aesthetic. If you prefer a lively, bold design, go for colored or patterned vases. Fill the vases with dried flowers, pampas grass, or artificial stems to add softness and texture. A single statement vase can also work perfectly in a minimalist design. Remember not to overcrowd the area. The goal is elegance, not clutter. Vases add height, beauty, and sophistication, making your TV stand feel complete and stylish. With the right selection, your TV area becomes a stunning visual centerpiece in your home. Candles create a warm, cozy, and inviting atmosphere, perfect for TV stand decor. At Beki Decor, we love using candles to soften the space and bring a relaxing glow to the living room. You can use pillar candles in varying heights for a classic look or modern candle holders for a sleek aesthetic. Scented candles also add a pleasant fragrance that enhances the room's ambience. Place candles on trays, beside books, or next to small decorative objects. If you prefer safety, LED candles are a great alternative and still provide a warm glow. Candles in gold, black, or wooden holders add elegance and charm. When arranging candles, avoid placing them too close to the TV or any heat-sensitive decor. The key is balance. 1 or 2 candles can make a big difference. They create a calming environment, perfect for evening relaxation. Candles are simple yet powerful decor choices that elevate your TV stand while keeping the space warm and beautiful. Trays are excellent for organizing and grouping decor pieces on a TV stand. At Beki Decor, we often use trays to create neat, stylish decor clusters. A tray helps prevent the decor from looking scattered and provides a controlled space for candles, books, small plants, or figurines. Choose a tray that matches your decor theme. Wooden trays for warm and rustic spaces, metal trays for modern designs, and woven trays for natural or boho decor. A round tray creates softness, while rectangular trays offer a cleaner structure. Place the tray on one side of the stand and build a small vignette using items of different heights and textures. This creates depth and visual balance. Tray styling brings order, elegance, and intentionality to your TV stand. It's an easy way to create a beautiful, organized decor display without overcrowding the space. Trays are excellent for organizing and grouping decor pieces on a TV stand. At Beki Decor, we often use trays to create neat, stylish decor clusters. A tray helps prevent the decor from looking scattered and provides a controlled space for candles, books, small plants, or figurines. Choose a tray that matches your decor theme. Wooden trays for warm and rustic spaces, metal trays for modern designs, and woven trays for natural or boho decor. A round tray creates softness, while rectangular trays offer a cleaner structure. Place the tray on one side of the stand and build a small vignette using items of different heights and textures. This creates depth and visual balance. Tray styling brings order, elegance, and intentionality to your TV stand. It's an easy way to create a beautiful, organized decor display without overcrowding the space. The secret to a beautiful TV stand decor is balance, harmony, and simplicity. At Beki Decor, we remind you that decor doesn't need to be overly complicated. A mix of plants, vases, books, candles, and art can create a stunning display. The key is to avoid overcrowding. Leave breathing space around each item. Choose decor colors that complement your walls, furniture, and overall theme. Combine tall and short items, round and rectangular shapes, to create visual movement. Keep your TV cables organized and out of sight to maintain a clean look. Step back and observe your decor from different angles. If something feels heavy, uneven, or cluttered, adjust it until it feels harmonious. With thoughtful placement and the right decor pieces, your TV stand becomes a beautiful focal point that enhances the entire home. Beki Decor is here to help you create spaces that feel warm, stylish, and uniquely yours. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Beki Decor. Your likes, comments, and shares mean everything to us. Stay connected and keep growing with our decor family. Don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful decor ideas and weekly inspiration. We truly appreciate